guys, it's Melanie. Happy Saturday. So we are going to do my weekly home fragrance roundup, or what I burned / melted this week. We're going to be doing it a little bit differently. We're going to be going on a walking tour of my house, essentially. So I'm going to show you probably most of the warmers. I'm not going to go inside every single room, but I'm going to show you guys some of my warmers, where I keep them. I'm going to tell you what I have in those warmers. I'm also going to show you the candles that I was using this last week. I do have a couple of empties actually that I'm just going to do in the beginning of the video here, and then we're going to get up and we're going to walk around and we're going to see what I am currently finishing up here at the end of December. So first thing is for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, I was burning winter fireside outside in our backyard, and I finished this up. So I replaced that with white birch. So that looks really beautiful outside on our fireplace as well. And I'll just kind of give you a quick sneak peek of the fireplace when we get downstairs. The second candle that I finished up was this New Year's Wishes and Mistletoe Kisses from Bath & Body Works. Look at the soot, you guys. I didn't realize that this really started sooting towards the end, and it extinguished itself, so it burned the whole way down. The throw on this one wasn't super great. This was from 2017, so when I saw this, I about had a heart attack because I was like, oh my God. I had this in my front living room. That room is already painted. That was one of the first rooms that we painted when we moved into the house. So I was really upset with myself for not paying closer attention to the candle, because I'm sure some of this now is on the brand new painted ceiling down there, as well as the beautiful blue walls. So I'm a little miffed about that, but anyway, this is why a lot of my candles from Bath & Body Works end up in the candle crocks. And I'll show you an actual candle crock, you'll see what I'm talking about. But this is why a lot of these candles end up there, because they just suck. In fact, I have not picked up any candles from the SAS sale from Bath & Body Works. And I don't know that I really intend to be totally honest. I am still trying to finish up a lot of what I have. So I don't know. Anyway, that was just very disappointing. But let's get up, let's rise, let us start the tour. So hopefully you don't get too sick as I'm walking around here. Okay, so this is obviously my little area over in this room. I have the apple butter frosting here from Scentsy in this bride warmer. That is a Scentsy warmer as well. It is discontinued now, but that's what I have in my room here. And I also have that in our guest room. That's another bride warmer right there. So apple butter frosting is in there. There's also apple butter frosting in this bathroom. And over here at the top of the stairs, I have this new warmer. I don't remember the name of this one. The Elegance warmer, I think. Why are there crumbs up here? Okay, why do I even ask? I have a child. This is vanilla bean buttercream. So I have vanilla bean buttercream right here. This is our bedroom. I have vanilla bean buttercream right there. And I'm getting ready to dust. Yeah, it's dusty. It's been a few weeks. There is one of my warmers right there, well, warmer as in candle crock. I don't have anything in there right now, but I have been burning the ombre Swar candle over there from Bastide in the bedroom as well. It's really beautiful. And in our master bath here, I have the apple butter frosting as well. So that is what is in the upstairs. I'm gonna come downstairs. In our formal front living room here, I have two of the, gosh, what are Holiday Glow, Christmas Glow? I think these are the Christmas Glow warmers. Again, they're from Scentsy. I have one over there in that corner and one over here, and they are, they have vanilla bean buttercream in there. This is where my Nest holiday candle was sitting. I'll show you where that has moved to now. And over there is where that Merry Mistletoe was sitting. So I don't see any like soot right now, but as we all know, it kind of accumulates over time. So yeah, that just made me so bad. I did have this vanilla spice and everything nice in here, but I never did light it. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and save it for next year at this point. We are obviously at the end of the holiday season. I will be taking down my tree on January 1st. So I'm just trying to kind of enjoy the last few days with it here. Let's see, anyone else have a kid that does this? I tell her to take stuff to her room and that's where she puts it. I do have vanilla bean buttercream in this champagne warmer here from Scentsy as well, but it's not lit right now. Let's go in here. I do have this warmer right here, which is also a Scentsy warmer, and I have vanilla bean buttercream in here. I am doing a ton of laundry today, so pardon my laundry piles. These are all clean. I just haven't had the patience to fold them. This is where my holiday Nest candle is currently living. So it is living the last little bit of its life here. There's not much wax left. Honestly, I couldn't really smell it once it got to this part down here. So I have it on just a hot plate warmer in my laundry room here, and it is smelling up the entire like half of the downstairs that is connected to this laundry room here. It's throwing really well, and it's been in here for like 3 days now, and it's just as strong as it was as the first day that I put it in. In here I do have vanilla bean buttercream and a lemon scented wax from Oak and Rye, I think it's called. It's a brand that I find at my local Fred Meyer. So that's what's in there, but I haven't started that up quite yet. By the way, look at this. I got some amazing art for Christmas this year, but look at this. So my father-in-law drew my name for Christmas, and one of the things that he got me was this amazing painting from a local artist. It's pugs on a bicycle drinking from a keg. This guy right here is my personal favorite, as is the I don't love squirrels sticker on a bicycle. Anyway, super fun. All right, in my kitchen over here, I have another Christmas glow warmer up on the sill there, and that also has vanilla bean buttercream. And I'm also doing dishes right now. Currently what I have lit, because I only light one candle at a time, is actually one of the fall scents from Homeworks. This is the spiced vanilla pumpkin. It is throwing very nicely. I just lit it about I think 10 minutes ago, so I'm really enjoying this one. I'm glad that I bought backups of it. I love it. It smells somewhat similar to Summer Boardwalk from Bath & Body Works, but not as like strong and just headache inducing. So that's really lovely. I hope that comes back. In this guest bath down here, I do have my Nest Birchwood Pine that I've been burning during the holidays, as well as that lemon scent from Oak and Rye in here. That is amazing. That smells so good. And that's just a little warmer from Walmart, I think. I no longer have my White Christmas on this candle stand here because it is in my candle crock downstairs. So I put it in here because it started to soot. So when that happens, it goes in here. You can see it melts all of the wax, and it just continues to release the fragrance. And once that is all done, then I let the wax harden, I take it out, and then I put another candle in there. So yeah, that is what a candle crock is. No, they are not readily available anymore. I don't know why they're being done away with. This does not get super crazy hot. I mean, I'm obviously touching it. It's just warm. It's basically just warm enough to melt the wax, and that's it. So no candle there. I have been burning 2 candles in here on and off. This is the Over the River and Through the Woods. That's doing okay right now. There's Mr. Kong. And the very last one is this Homeworks Country Apple Butter, which has been burning very well as well. So just enjoying the last little bit of that. And then I will just show you the other piece of art that I got for Christmas. So my mom had this painting commissioned from an artist that I believe lives in Gig Harbor. And yeah, my brother had taken a picture of Mr. Kong, and then my mom took that picture to the artist and she painted this for me. So it's on this beautiful canvas. I can't decide whether I want to have it framed or if I want to keep it like this. So I'll need to figure that out. But anyway, just absolutely love that. And yeah, that's my sweet little boy over here. So thank you guys so much for taking this little tour around the house. And I'll just leave you with a quick shot of Mr. Kong here. Sweet little house pooper that he is. And I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a great New Year's, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.